All right, good morning guys. Today I'm going to be covering my Kyosho MK2 Fazer MK2. This is a 69 Camaro Z28 and it's from Kyosho and it has full metal discs, gears are metal. It's got bearings throughout. It has oil-filled shocks. It has some disc brakes that come with it, so you can set the offset on your wheels. You can bring them in and out a couple millimeters. It comes with a controller. The controller is a Syncro KT-23, and it's a 3-channel controller, and it has a training port on the side. It's got a 6-volt power on the side, and it's got a switch for putting the throttle forward, and then it's got a bunch of all the controls you'll ever need on the front, reverse, forward, steering, trim, and all that. Okay, so when I bought this car, I just bought it. So the reason I bought it was mainly because I used to have a 69 Camaro back about 35 years ago, and it was jet black, and I had a 1972 Camaro, and it ran perfect. It had a 350 motor in it. And a friend of mine wanted to trade for a 1969 Camaro. So the engine was blown and stuff. It had a blown 350. It was just, it didn't even have front fenders. I even think the hood was crinkled. But I went ahead and made the trade and put the car in shape. My friend and I worked on it, put new fenders on it, put a Cal induction hood in it, redid the interior, and painted it jet black. So it was pretty kind of near and dear to my heart. It wasn't a Z28, of course, but I made it look like one. So anyways, the thing about the Kyosho is you can tell that this is a really beautifully scaled car. I mean, it's just a real beautiful car, in my opinion. Now this one came originally with this body, because that's how I bought it, with this body. You guys can see it. Now I put the light kit in this body, so it's all lit up and everything, and it has buckets. That's what I like about these bodies. They got buckets and everything. So let's just not drag on too long. Now these bodies are not cheap. I mean, they're very well done. They're just not, in my opinion, kind of a lot of money. Just over $100. Now, if you were to compare it to something like I hate to do it, but my laser nuts, you get a lot more for your money. I mean, they come with sway bars, they come with light bars, floodlights, and just a cage and drivers and everything. And there's just a lot more to that body. So pound for pound, I would say the laser nut body is a lot better value, but it doesn't matter because it's, they're both licensed bodies, by the way. These are licensed bodies. The laser nut has a licensed body as well. I think that's about everything I'm going to cover on this. I am going to run it now so you guys can see it. Oh, it has a 550 brush motor. I mean, it's ready to run, 4-wheel drive, 550 brush motor. How many turns is that motor? Sorry, 14 turn. It's got a 60 amp ESC. And that's about it, man. I should pop the body off. Let me do that. The body clips are a little bit hard to get off on this thing. And I appreciate you guys watching, I really do, and supporting me. Believe me. You guys have been great. Where'd that body clip go? It's right here. They're so little, man, you can barely even see them. Alright, so get the good close-up of the car. You guys have seen it. I'll be taking it out and running it, so you'll be able to see it real nicely. Okay, on this is this body. Now, the motor itself comes with this body, so you get the motor and body together, and they're about the same price as what the blue body was. This blue body costs about the same as what this body cost. Now the motor here, this gives you an idea of what it looks like on the inside. The motor here, it just clips in, and it actually, you pull your shock towers off, and then the motor is captured that way. So you don't have to, the motor doesn't come out with the body, it's attached to the car. So, and it's got a really nice front bumper. I like that. It's really nice and stout. I don't think I'll be bashing this thing, that's for sure. It's got Kragers, you know, Krager mags. They look like Kragers anyways back in the day. When I had my Camaro, it had, I went with center lines, so I had some really big, beefy center lines in the back. I didn't tub it or nothing, but it was pretty nice. All right, I think that's going to cover this. Pretty much covered everything. The radio works good. The car works good. And, I mean, even the windshield wipers, they're like flexible, kind of nice. So anyways, let me get this out and run it and see what you guys think. All right, let's do a quick close-up of this beauty. If you can see it very well. That's what she looks like. A little bit dirty. It's pretty good. Z28, man. Z28. All right, guys, I just picked up this 1969 Chevy Camaro. It's a Z28 and it's made by Kyosho. It's on a chassis that's called a Fazer MK2, and there's probably a lot of people know about that. This is the first Kyosho I have, so. Speed bump, man, that's a hell of a speed bump. Look at that. Can't even make it up that. Move, move, move. Not much ground clearance on this guy. Yeah, okay, come on. Oh, here we go through the dirt. No. It's really a great looking car. I mean, it's true to scale. I mean, it looks just like the 69 Camaro. This one happens to be the Z28 version. It's got the 302 motor in it. The mags kind of look like Kragers, you know, like in the old days, Krager mags. I think this Camaro body comes in 3 flavors, basically. A black one, like a, you know, a lacquer black looking one with a big old blower sticking out of the hood, and then a green one that's, you know, similar to this, but like a light green. Oh, not the grass again. turning radius. It's a smooth little car, man. Be nice on 3S, I bet. And I like that it's got reverse throttle adjust and forward throttle adjust. That's kind of nice. Anyways, guys, it's getting kind of boring. Appreciate it. You guys stopping by and looking at my little car. And you guys have a great time. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And I'm going to get out of here. Thanks, guys.